Hey guys, RP here. Welcome back to the channel. In the today video, I'm just gonna be busy with one of my old rims. It's one of the project bike rear wheel, and unfortunately, when I wanted to take off the wheel brake disc, I broke all the bolts in it. I couldn't get them out, so this is gonna be in the today video. But I try to get those out and then check maybe the threads are good or not. If they are damaged, then I have a hair coil set, so I'm just gonna fix them. Today video is just gonna be a time-lapse video. So it's not going to be too much talk, but much more to watch. So I did try more different things. Unfortunately, I couldn't get them out. So probably I'm just gonna throw it away. I have extra wheel luckily, so that I can use for the bike. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye bye.